Hi, I read something about market research and why one does market research about people's opinion, their pain point, their their journey towards a particular work or niche, depending upon that journey and what it took them to decide to go for this particular journey. So, for example, a golf coach rather, he becomes an accountant and finance person, and when he sees that there is no opportunity in India for his learning, he has been educated in US and now in India, and the tax laws are very different, and so his accounts and finance background is useless out here. So what does he do? So he takes up his hobby, passion for sports, as his main occupation. So that transition has happened. So sometime in life when he is getting into, suppose, a sales career. So why actually he chooses a sales career? Because sales career is high paying, and accounts and finance knowledge will help him apart from the public speaking and his persuasion skills into it. That is why the journey has happened and he has landed up being a salesperson. And what is he selling? Despite not having any IT background or anything, he is selling digital product now. So for a salesperson, whether it is a digital product, a physical product, or any service, it doesn't make any difference as long as it sells. But what about his passion? So where does he acquires that insight to go about this selling? What extra he has to tell the customer apart from the pricing of that particular product or service? So that is where the niche comes in, and the passion and the vision about that particular product with which he has been associated in some way or other. So the more emotional he gets attached to that product, the more selling he will do. After all, a product is not only a product, it also partly is a vision, a dream, and aspiration for a customer. So customer buys not only for the utility value of that particular product, but also it gives him some uh, status value. It fulfills his part of his dream, and it becomes a signature about his personality also. Like a pen, if he acquires a Mont Blanc pen, then it says about his status. So that is how product buying and selling happens. So coming back to this golf coach who has landed up as a digital product seller, he actually and goes through all this entire journey and ends up being here where he is right now. So unless one tracks this entire journey through a market research questionnaire, one cannot offer any possibility for him going forward. There is a great vision and great possibility for him, and a great career option for him to do good for himself and also to contribute to the nation. So this needs to be emphasized. This needs to be told to him. He can be a coach, he can be an online coach, he can be a trainer right now. So this all happens through market research. Hope this helps. Thank you.